This is Mr. V. In this video we will expand a bracket involving exponents using the distributive law. We want to expand the expression 5x squared y cubed into the bracket 2xy plus 7xy squared. Now it looks a whole lot more complicated, but it turns out it's actually very similar to the ones we have done. There's just the matter of having these powers. So we're going to start this by distributing like we have done in the past. It's just that it's a harder expansion. They're bigger terms. So we're going to multiply the term in front by the two terms on the inside. And that's going to give us 5x squared y cubed multiplied by 2xy plus, because there's a plus in the bracket, 5x squared y cubed times 7xy squared. And I'm going to need to simplify that. And that's really why these are more difficult. So if we're looking at just the numbers first, 5 times 2 is 10. And then we need to simplify the x squared and the x. And remember that there is this little invisible 1 when there's no power. And so x squared times x1, well, multiplying numbers with the same base, we add their power, so we're going to get x cubed. Then we have y cubed times y, which is an invisible to the power of 1. So y cubed to the power times y to the power of 1 is y4. Plus, and then looking at the second term over here, again, we're going to start by multiplying numbers. So 5 times 7 is 35. X squared times x will give us x cubed. And y cubed times y squared will give us y to the power of 5. And we can't simplify that anymore because these variable parts need to be the same between the two terms for us to be able to add them. So that's it. That's how we distribute brackets that involve exponents. Fantastic.